2014 Toyota Tundra O2 monitor won't run. So I'm gonna 2014. This thing's been driven over 1,000 miles. This O2 sensor monitor will not run. We did the drive cycles, did everything we could. This is the Tundra with the 4.6. So basically, I was looking more into it, and I replaced the rear O2 sensors. But what made me do that is I was looking at mode 6 data, and here's a snapshot of one sensor, and then on the next sensor, you can see some values are at 0. And no matter how much we drove this, these values just stayed at 0. And so I think something's wrong with the sensor. I think it's silent failed, meaning it won't throw a code, it won't affect performance, but it won't run the monitor. I've seen this a handful of times on Toyotas. The rear O2 sensors sometimes will fail and not throw a code. So these are right in the open, so we just replaced them. We use Toyota genuine sensors, as you should, because there's a lot of bad O2 sensors out there. And as soon as we replaced it, the first drive we went on, the O2 sensor monitor ran. Also, when I checked the mode 6 data again, oh sorry, wrong one. Those values on that Bank 2 sensor 2, the values that were at 0, now they filled out and they're fine now. So something to note. See how those are good now? Now something to note, these have new part numbers. So the ones that came off the truck have the regular part number, but the part numbers have been updated. So I don't know if they tweaked the new sensors or changed them a little bit. But I'd recommend getting these new part numbers. As you can see here, here's like the old part number, and then it says, or the new one, it says replaces this one. This one was on the truck. Anyways, that's what helped for us. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for Oxido LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the Oxido website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up. And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use Guillermo Auto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar, it's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's Guillermo Auto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the Guillermo Auto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.